Good morning, guys. In today's class, we are going to learn how to install adobe css6 products. Okay, so what we are running today's class means is how to adobe products. Okay, guys. For this, we have to find the installation application where it's located in the computer. I go to the computer, or here in the D. So here we have all the software. Here CS6 Adobe CS6 software is there. I would like to install this one. Okay, after clicking this one, we have the setup file here. So right click on this file and click on run as administrator. This menu is called top up menu. This menu is called the top up menu. In the top up menu, the second option is the run as administrator. Click on this option. So there is whether you have to installation or not, we should decide in this window. If you want to install the product right from it, click on S. Here the installation time. Here we have no problem. We have encountered the following issue. Installer has detected the machine restart may be pending. It is recommended that you quiet the installer, restart your machine and try install again. So before installing this Adobe CS6, you need to restart your system. Then only will go to install without any problem. Okay, guys. So thank you for listening this video. This is an error occurred during the Adobe CS6 product. So if you have any more doubts, just visit my website, that is www.estudypedia.in. Sorry, a small mistake is estudypedia.in. This is the website that you can able to find all the details about of the study purpose. Okay, thank you for listening, guys.